still all here. What a beauty.
She's rough, but all the bones are here. This will be fun.
Talking about solid metal again.
I'm checking the hood to fender gap here. 3mm all the way down. That's what we're after. A little file work to bring this door edge square. Caliper says perfect, but I want it to feel perfect too. Shim in, door settles, that's better. Trunk gap.
Let it flash, then we lay the next one.
Leveling the peel out with 1500, keeping it flooded, smooth as glass already, step up to 3000, refine the scratches, compound with the wool pad, and there's the gloss. Final polish.
Every inch of this bay gets cleaned and prepped. Brackets get their semi-gloss black brushed on by hand. Then we load the gun with Hugger Orange and lay down smooth, even coats across the inner fenders and fire.
Sliding the new deluxe seat in, getting it centered on the tracks, dash drops in next, wood grain, chrome, all period correct. Carpet's bound and tight, door panels snap right into place. Tuck the new headliner into console.
That's a wrap. She looks stunning. Fire, she's alive. That's a milestone right there.
That's the reflection you want right there. Valve cover's clean, decal pops, go over the hose, make sure the sheen stays even. Master cylinder cap, mirror finish, wiring tucked, just a touch under